Hello today, I'm diving into a hidden gem in the world of natural remedies castor oil. Yep, that bottle that's probably collecting dust in your cabinet can actually do wonders for your health and beauty routine. So let's get right into it. First off, what is castor oil? It's a vegetable oil pressed from castor beans. Rich in ricinoleic acid, this oil has been used for centuries for its myriad of health benefits. But don't just take my word for it. According to a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, castor oil exhibits powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, meaning it can help reduce pain and swelling. Now, you might be wondering, how can you incorporate castor oil into your daily routine? Well, let me break it down for you. Castor oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. Its thick consistency locks in moisture, making it perfect for dry skin. Simply apply a few drops to your face before bed and wake up to softer, hydrated skin. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirms that castor oil has excellent emollient properties, making it a great addition to your skincare regimen. Want longer, stronger hair? Castor oil can help with that too. Apply it to your scalp and massage it in to stimulate hair follicles. According to research in the Journal of Cosmetic Science, castor oil can enhance hair growth by promoting blood circulation to the scalp. Thin eyebrows or eyelashes? Castor oil can be your go-to solution. Dip a clean mascara wand into the oil and apply it to your lashes and brows before bed. Consistent use can lead to fuller, healthier-looking lashes and brows. Believe it or not, castor oil is also a potent natural laxative. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration actually approves it for over-the-counter use as a laxative. Just be sure to use it sparingly and consult a healthcare provider before ingesting. If you suffer from joint pain or inflammation, castor oil can come to the rescue. Rub it onto the affected area and cover it with a warm cloth for relief. A 2000 study in phytotherapy research found that castor oil significantly reduces inflammation and eases pain. There you have it. 5 compelling reasons to add castor oil to your daily routine. From moisturizing your skin to promoting hair growth and even relieving constipation, this versatile oil is a natural powerhouse. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural remedy tips. And drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've used castor oil yourself. We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay healthy and safe.